are so good. It's similar level. I expect a lot of fight and good quality of players.
So today, second and last game, Flamengo. Daniel and Manu, so you are kind of the heart and you organize everything. You're the captains, you have everything in front of you, you see the space and the gaps, you see the lines, and you know how to organize it with a lot of communication. Yeah? So don't put too much pressure on yourself. You're here for a reason, we know your qualities, and you guys, you all know your strengths. And play out your weapons and your strengths. Full focus on every pass, every situation from the first second. So enjoy.
So just waking up this morning and just being ready to just play the game today.
I feel a little bit pressure.
I expect it will be a hard game. Yeah, I need to get into the match, like feel what's going on the pitch.
100%. The team spirit, it's absolutely amazing. But we need this outside. All together. We are one team. Okay?
Yeah,
the main topic from the first second.
Dieses Spiel muss diese Aggressivität geben auf dem Platz.
We changed a little bit the team, but we need from everyone, all the players, the aggressivity from the beginning. Okay?
Okay?
Be aggressive.
Good.
To this, the second game of their training camp. They've had intense training sessions. They've had time to bond and come together with football, the shared language. That's Francis who's lost it, and an early strike.
Ist der jetzt Dribbling, oder?
Brings an excellent save from Jakov Schar.
Daniel, no dribbling. Play easy, yeah?
My position in the pitch is to coordinate the team, both from the defense and also from the attack, and also give the pass at the right time to the right person.
Wasted possession. Now there is a chance for Tarek Scott to come forward. Looking to play it in for Dunze. That's a good save.
I'm feeling good.
Very good.
Nobody in and around the goalkeeper. He needs with a deeper one. Umar waiting.
And Jakov is very good.
I think we can make it, we can win.
So it's goalless at the break.
The things, what we talked about, what we trained, being a team, working together, moving together, that's good. That's really good. Like Tarek, perfect, yeah? But now we need more things. We need the long ball. And when we play the long ball, diagonal or long line, but then it's the front guys, they have to see where the ball is going, and then if we don't get the first one, we have to get the second one. Okay? Absolutely aggressive for the second ball. When we get this ball, we are right next to the box of them. Okay?
Trouble. It's a whole wall of red and black shirts, but now he does get the free kick.
He always take good free kick. That is why we give it to him, and also we have 100% sure he's gonna score. Bad luck.
Very, very close.
Das gibt's ja nicht. Timing. Der steht komplett frei.
I was expecting it to come down a little faster than it did, but before I knew it, I was already coming back down, and the ball just slightly missed my head.
Oh, he's blown full time. A little early, but that is the full-time whistle.
Machine. Good?
Yeah, good.
Huh?
Yeah.
And now tired, huh? Yeah, good. Okay, guys. Yeah. Congratulations. So, absolutely good. We haven't spoken about the offense. That's what we do in the next step, but it's all good, and it was this close. Yeah, Hiromu. No, it's not a crossbar challenge. Now, all good? Yeah, it's good.
Es war von Anfang an klar, dass Hiromu die Freistöße schießt aufgrund seiner technischen Fähigkeiten. Sensationell geschossen. Leider war er nicht drin. Ich hätte es ihm gegönnt.
Oh, Tariq. Timing. But that's football. It's like this, we 1-0, or we lose 1-0. Guys, you can be proud. Yeah? All the things we did, it was on the pitch. You showed that you have the passion and the energy as well on the pitch. And yeah, it's a good team. We're really looking forward for Munich. It's going to be really good. To the rooms, shower, dinner, and then you get a message when we meet again. Well done, guys. That's our last meeting all together from our Brazil tour 2022. It's a bit sad, to be honest. I think we had a great time, and for me, in my opinion, and the team, a great finish. So we worked a lot of our defense, and yeah, just the result says everything. We didn't get a goal, so it's good.
वॉलीबॉल देखा है?
हाँ, पापा लोग संडे को मोहल्ले में खेलते हैं ना।
वही ना जो बच्चे लोग पिकनिक शिकनिक पे खेलते रहते हैं।
वॉलीबॉल खेला है, इजी है रे।
ये वो वॉलीबॉल नहीं है। अब इंडिया देखेगा वॉलीबॉल का असली अंदाज। 8 टीम्स, एक मकसद। रुपे प्राइम वॉलीबॉल लीग पावर्ड बाय A23 ऑन सोनी स्पोर्ट्स नेटवर्क।
जब ब्रह्मांड में अंधकार छा जाता है, तब एक ही आवाज गूंजती है। होगा हाहाकार, मचेगी खलबली, हर स्क्रीन करेगी स्क्रीन। चैंपियंस का ये लाइनअप इज एन एब्सोल्यूट ड्रीम। जब गॉड्स ऑफ फुटबॉल खेलते हैं तो सोना मना है। UEFA चैंपियंस लीग लाइव सिर्फ सोनी स्पोर्ट्स नेटवर्क पर।
The UEFA Champions League is brought to you by MasterCard and Oppo, UEFA Champions League sponsors.
Hey! सबके सब लेट जाओ। बस। मैनेजर, खड़ा हो जाओ।
तब क्या?
चलो।